How to fix WhatsApp voice message low volume. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Click on your volume button at the side and make sure if the volume is not low. If your volume is not low and you have problems, simply delete the WhatsApp tab and then open it again. Your problem might be fixed. If it still does not solve your problem, what you need to do is restart your device. Simply restart your device and then open WhatsApp once again, and your problem will be fixed after you restart your device. This is how to fix WhatsApp voice message low volume. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.